Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today's video is number 4 of my bread series. I'm going to be making hamburger buns. It's not easy to find hamburger buns in Japan. If I can find it, it's very dry and not taste so good. If you want to make a good hamburger, you have to make it from scratch. Today I will make two different types of shapes. One is for Chicken Tatsuta sandwich and the other one is Oyako Teriyaki sandwich, which I have introduced you quickly in the last video. Both of these chicken sandwiches are Japanese Mcdonald's seasonal special. You don't have to come over to Japan because I'll show you step-by-step instructions. Let's start by putting the all-purpose flour into a stand mixer bowl. To that, add sugar and salt. Sugar looks a lot, but it makes perfect match with chicken. Set aside. Beat 1 egg in a small bowl. Add half a cup of water and mix to combine. Set the bowl in the stand mixer and start mixing on low. When the flour and sugar and salt mix well, add your yeast. I have repeatedly mentioned the yeast should not be directly contact with sugar and salt. Sugar and salt might affect to deactivate the yeast. Add the rest of the water, preserving small amount to adjust the consistency. Keep kneading on low speed until it comes to one lump. It looks a little bit too sticky, but you don't have to worry about it because we want to make it squashy and fluffy buns. This dough looks perfect consistency. If you think it too sticky, go ahead and add some flour. When you pinch the dough and stretch it very thin like paper, add room temperature butter and knead another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the dough should look like this. It pulls off from the side of the bowl and it doesn't stick to your fingers. Grease the bowl with the oil, place the dough shaped into a bowl, cover with plastic wrap and let them rise for about 1 hour or until double in bulk. Take out the dough onto a flour surface and put it down with your hands. Cut into 2 and weigh the dough. My dough weighs 750 grams, so I divide it into 75 grams each, or you can just eyeball it. Shape each dough into small ball and cover with the plastic wrap to prevent from drying. To shape it into a normal hamburger bun, take one dough on your palm, shape into a ball again, removing the gas inside. Press it down and roll it out about 7 to 10 cm in diameter, half an inch thick. Press them onto a baking tray lined with a silicone mat. Don't forget to cover with a plastic wrap. To shape into a knot, pat it down to remove the gas inside and fold from top and bottom. Then fold in half and you have a small log. Roll it out to 25 to 30 cm long. At this stage, you don't have to hurry. Take your time to stretch. If you do it too quickly, the dough will bounce back or tear. When you get nice and even loaf of dough, tie a knot loosely and press it in a greased ring mold. The both sides look the same. Place the beautiful side on top. Place them on a baking tray, cover with plastic wrap, and let them rise for about 20 minutes or until fluffy. Meanwhile, let's prepare the egg wash. Beat your egg and pass through the sieve. You need 1/3 of egg. Add 1 teaspoon of milk and mix well. Set aside until used. I always place the other baking tray filled with hot water underneath the tray in winter. After 20 minutes, my dough looks very fluffy. Gently brush egg wash. Sprinkle white sesame seed for the regular hamburger buns. Bake 15 minutes at 200 Celsius until the surface is golden brown. There you have your hamburger buns. When you tap the bottom and you hear the dry sound, it cooked perfectly. I love the smell of baking in my kitchen as always. Let them cool before you slice. Alright, that's it for today. Let's make it into sandwich next week. Until then, you can enjoy your hamburger to your liking. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Follow me on social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And please go to my website for printable recipe and more information. And you can find what you want on my Amazon store. All the link is in the description box below. I will bring you the healthy recipes for your good eat and good health. Thanks again, and I will see you in a week. Bye!